All right, guys, here we are back again. It's around 8:30 in the morning, Thursday. I'm looking at oil right here. I liked it a lot. As you can see here, it's breaking this downtrend right now. So with one, two, three touches right here. So I definitely like here for long. So this is I'm definitely looking at it right now. As you can also see our balance, it's now we're down negative 42. So we're pretty good. Like it so much. I'm just trying to see where would be our stop loss before we go ahead and enter. But I like this a lot on oil right here. So definitely I'm not really hesitating. I like it a
Order
lot.
filled.
So
Order
now we're
filled.
go ahead. We're gonna fill. Let's see what happens here. Let's adjust our stop loss, which is gonna be just under that white line. That's gonna be our stop loss. So let's go ahead and put it. There we go. I liked it a lot. We'll see what happens. Hopefully, we'll get on the green today, guys. Yeah, that would be great. Just trying to see where we broke. We did break right there. And that's where we started this downtrend. That would have been a nice. May have missed that completely. Look at that. If you would have caught that, that would have been a really nice trade to take overnight. Just going all the way down. But that's okay. You miss some, you miss some. It is what it is. Now we're in this position. We're long, around $10 up right now so far. We'll see what happens when market open, guys. When market opens, that really adds a lot of volatility into it, and then from there we can really see what's going on and
Order
how it
filled.
moves.
Order
So go ahead.
filled.
I would like another one here, just because our stop loss. I'm okay with this with losing around 150 or so. So I added one there. We'll take it slow, but that's fine. I don't mind. I really want to push up. Now, this is gold now, which I'm looking at. Oh, look where this is where it broke, guys, and we missed that play. Remember, we had this. We are looking at this the other day, or yesterday night, and look at that. It broke completely, and had you just had that stop loss, look at that. It just waterfalled after that broke, and that support broke. We just went all the way down, came back. We tested that white line and went all the way to 31.30 or so. Jeez. That's just crazy. Can't believe we missed that, guys. We were looking at it. It was a perfect trade and we missed it. Oh, that's very annoying. But that's trading for you. You win some and then you miss some. So we'll go ahead and keep looking at it and see what else we can do, what else we like. We are breaking this right now, but it was only two touches, so it's not really something we can take. Remember, our strategy is taking once it breaks a line with three touches. So let's see what's going on here. Now we are. I think we have three touches here. I like it here. Let's see. Yeah, one, two, three. It is going up. So I like this as a stop loss, or if it breaks down, if it breaks this white line, either or. But this red line is a trend line. If it breaks this and keeps going up, especially after such a heavy waterfall yesterday, I don't mind it, guys. That would be a good trade. All right, let's see what's going on with the Nasdaq. Obviously. Okay, so we gotta fix that because that's no longer available. So let's go ahead because this broke. Would have been nice to catch that fall right there last night after that break of that white trend line going up. Um, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and take that off, break it. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, there's no need to keep that. Let's make new trend lines. So that's there. That's only two touches, so nothing there. We'll need another touch before we can actually make it pink, and then that way we can go ahead and trade it. This trend line, I believe, it actually does touch three times, even though, yeah, I'm pretty sure it touches three. You have one there, and then you have like two or three touches in the beginning. So that's definitely a tradable line. Definitely like it there. So we're gonna go ahead and make that, and then when if it comes back, we're gonna trade it. Excuse me. We're up around $11 on our position there, but let's see what happens. We can obviously play the break to this because it's still only two touches. We're still waiting to see if it comes back down and it drowns, and then we can maybe take a a play. Copper, we got out around there. If you guys remember correctly, this is where we got out around there. And then if we had just waited more, look at that. It went all the way down more. Probably could have doubled our profits on copper, but that's okay. It was our first. I wasn't my first time playing Copper, so I liked it. It was a good trade, and we ended up green for yesterday for the day. So we're on a green streak right now. So we'll see what happens, guys. And you know we're down to -30 in the account, so looking pretty good. Climbed out of a huge hole. So let's see what's going on with silver over here. All right, let's this line is no good anymore, so we gotta go ahead and edit it now. And then that one's still valuable. So we'll see. We need another touch before we can play the break up, but nothing there. Let's look at the Dow. So the Dow, what happened? So we broke and then we came back again. So it kind of didn't really work out with this pink trend line. It broke it, but it came back down. So that would have been a no good there. And this white line is still it only has 2 touches, so that wouldn't really play. But let's go ahead and fix this line now. Oh, that's not there. Let's go ahead and put it there. That's a second touch. Yeah, one. That's not. I mean, that's not really touching. Let's change that white because it's not really touching anymore, guys. It's a little too high now. So now it's only 2 touches. So even if it breaks that white line, I won't play longs just because it's not really secure line yet. All right, let's go look at the Russell. Okay, let's fix these lines because these are not good anymore. Previous lines that didn't work, they were already broken. Let's go ahead and fix them. There we go. You have a trend line up. That would be a nice look. You have 1, 2, almost. That's actually a third touch right there, guys. Yeah. So let's make that pink. So looking for that. That's a nice setup right here, guys. If you can go ahead and break that, I will go ahead and take longs here on the Russell. With that being your stop loss right there. So that would be a very nice trade with a very tight stop loss right under that white trend line. So let's see. Go ahead. Hopefully it can break and we can go ahead and jump into some Russell trades, which I haven't traded in a while. Let's go back to the Nasdaq one more time and see what's going on here. You know, we still got an hour till 50 minutes till market open, but if this does try it again before market open and then breaks or goes up, well, you know, we got a trade there. Look at gold. Let's see. I think this is my main watch today. If it can get up there, get up to that trend line, that's what I'm looking. I think this is my main trade today, or my main attention is on gold. Longs, not shorts, not yet at least. But we'll go ahead and take a look at it, see what happens, where we are, and then we can go ahead and take some longs if that breaks, and then we'll draw the stop loss. I don't want to have it beforehand because then it creates a bias. So you know, that's a huge downtrend as you can see. So we'll keep an eyes on it. Let's see how our trade is doing on oil. We are up around $23, guys. So good entry. It's going up. We have our stop loss right there. So definitely like it. So let's go ahead and keep going. Let's yeah, that would be nice if it was able to head up there. I doubt it though, but you can always dream. But we're good here, guys. I think I will end it there, and I will come back to you guys later on. We'll see you later. All right, guys. So here, as you can see, we have our 2 long positions on oil. We are booming right now with these 2 contracts up around $93. It was up a lot more, but it came back down. Let's go ahead and move our stop loss a little higher now and keep this position going as much as we can. I like it around here on minus $23, $25, so it'll be around the $45 stop loss. But I think here what we did is I actually took a partial. I took one off just because I wanted to secure some profits, just to get some under my belt. So I definitely liked it. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and take one off. As you can see here, boom, take one of the stop markets off. So we have one there. And then gold here, we're breaking. I liked it. We talked about this morning. We're going long. Boom, nice and easy. Then looking to oil, we got stopped out on that last one. But I still liked it for long. So I moved my stop loss a little closer now to this red candle because I think that's where it hit us. So then now I'm going to go ahead and take another long here and see what happens here. I liked it here to keep it going. So I'll take one. We'll see what happens. Our gold position is right around $35. Not a big deal. So, but where I like it here, if it does break this white line, I'll go ahead and exit out ASAP. You know, stop loss will be around $40 or so here. I think it's like 43 or so. Yeah, right there, perfect. We will call it a day if it comes back down. And then we'll see here later on around 11 o'clock. It's breaking this. So you know what? I said stop. I'm done. I'm not taking a big loss. I took the $17 loss there. Then looking back at gold, it's booming again. It broke. We're up around $53. I really like it here. I need to fix my stop loss because it's been an hour and now it's going up higher. So we don't want to take such a bigger loss now. So our risk will be a lot less. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust it to around here, around 32 or so, 31, 99.99, which is a lot less now. We'll go ahead and delete this other one. There we go. We're up around $50, and then we'll wait, and then we'll come back later and see what happens. Right now it's around 11 o'clock or so, 11 in the morning. We need to keep it riding until we can't. We're up around $33 in the day. So now this comes. Let's see what time after 11:22. So after 20 minutes, we're up, guys, here around $90. I liked it a lot. So you said, you know what? Let's go ahead and take some profit, get it out of here. We're up $90. There we go. We exited, take everything off, and we're up 120. See in the top left for the day.